Good day mga paps! So welcome back sa atong channel, Papa Ker DIY. So ang atong buhaton karon mga paps, so ang akong purpose man gud ani nganong akong redesign kay taas man gud kay ni siya kanang armchair niya. Unang murag spasyo kay ba mo nang akong buhaton nga riputlo na ako na siya pati kanang sandiganan para magiging cute na lang ang upuan. Yan, so magiging malaki na yung espasyo niyan kasi medyo nabawasan na natin ng kaunti yung kanyang yung sobrang laki kasi yan mga paps. Yan, so yan, sit back and relax mga paps. Trabaho muna tayo. Bye.
Never stood up, never got in your way. Never talked back, never thought that I would change. Didn't know how to be strong. I was barely hanging on, thinking if there's a light inside, why can't I turn it on? Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. Promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. I'm tired of letting you in this game. So do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be.
Okay mga paps, pahinga muna tayo at medyo nakakapagod. So tingnan nyo paps, putol na natin yung armchair at saka yung sandalan niya. So ang gagawin natin dyan sa susunod ay dudugtong na lang natin yung kaputol ng armchair para gumanda pa rin yung design. Yan lang mga paps ha. So see you next video. Bye!